In this video, we are going to talk about the Magic and Spell Sounds Pro, which is basically a large collection of sound effects for magic and spells. We are going to demo a couple of them in a minute, but again, this asset pack is only free for this month, so make sure to get it before the end of January. I briefly covered all the newly released free for the month assets and one permanently free asset in a previous video, which you can check out at the card above the screen. And with that out of the way, we can just check out some of the sounds in this particular sound pack. So this is a new project and I basically added the Magic and Spell Sounds Pro into this project. And if I were to open it, you can see we have a bunch of sounds for casting, chimes, elemental, which contains a bunch of sub-files for arcane magic, fire, ice, lightning, nature, shadow, water, and wind. We have two sub-files over here. So we have the wave file, which is the actual sound file for each of them. And you can click on this icon over here to play it. And all these sounds are properly labeled over here. So you have the loop, you have the start and the stop sounds over here. So those are some of the casting sounds, and then for chimes. And again, we have the wave file and the cue or the sound cue for each of these. If I were to open one of these, you can see it's very basic. There isn't anything special going on in this. But if you want, you can fully modify the sound. So you have that kind of option in Unreal Engine. But again, going back, you have various chiming sounds. And then elemental, this is the one you're most likely going to use when you download this. And again, you have a bunch of sounds for this. So in the general, again, we have a bunch of sounds. We have the buff attack sounds, various variations for those, all kinds of sounds over here. Special attacks. So yeah, again, this video is meant to remind those that haven't really downloaded this to just go ahead and download the sound pack. It's really amazing. You are getting over 615 sounds with this thing, and you will definitely find some of these sounds to be useful later on. And yeah, that's really about it. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.